I just got back from a bike ride. It's hot as sweaty balls in Florida, and I want something cold, sweet, and delicious. Because real talk, really what's in my freezer is this. And we're trying to make it a little healthier. What's going on? It's Katrin, the Kitchen Kitty. I'm little au naturel after my workout. But today we're going to keep it delicious, sweet, and icy cold with frozen strawberry pie. There is nothing I love than easy, lazy recipes. Today we're going to kick it old school and do a cold strawberry frozen yogurt pie with some ready-made crust. So let's get started. In a bowl, I'm just going to put 2 containers of Greek yogurt. I just got 2% plain. To that, I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of a good strawberry preserve. Just a teaspoon of vanilla extract. I like a little extra sweet. I'm just going to put a tablespoon of honey. Just whisk it up. I'm just gonna whip in some Truwhip. It's Cool Whip. It's a little healthier, but screw it, beat the candy bar from the freezer. I'm gonna take a whole container of this whipped topping. I'm gonna fold it in. You can really use whatever you like, but I'm gonna just dice up some strawberries with my strawberry preserves that are in the mixture. Magic of editing, woo-woo! I just cut like a container of strawberries into little pieces. They weren't too sweet, so I added maybe a tablespoon more honey to my mixture. And just chop and drop. Just gently fold it in. You want that mixture to be fluffy, so don't go too aggro on it. Just fold lightly, just like that. Take a ready-made graham cracker crust. We're going to spoon the mixture into there. And just take a knife and smooth her over all over the top. Look at that. Totally option, but I like some nuts on top, but I chew. Just cover it up. Pop in the freezer for at least 4 hours and get back to your day, and I'll be right back. Real talk, it's the next morning. I worked all night. My voice is a little raspy. It's not the code. But look at that, I sliced a piece out. Actually, I ate one last night. Let's give it a shot. And so I'm gonna get a whole piece there. I sound like a frog, but we still dancing. Let's let it sit out for like 15-20 minutes. It gets creamy. It's light. It has that great strawberry flavor. It's perfectly sweet. Now I'll call that some frozen strawberry pie form. Thank you so much for joining me. My name is Katrin, the Kitchen Kitty, and I appreciate you in the kitchen with me. Don't forget to like, smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, leave your comments below and say what's up. Until next time, ciao.